my heart go deeper, my heart go deeper into my God. When I pray, I feel my heart go deeper, my heart go deeper into my God. Right here, right now, right where I am, I pray. Right here, right now, right where I am, I pray. When I pray, I feel my soul go deeper, my soul go deeper into my God. When I pray, I feel my soul go deeper, my soul go deeper into my God. Right here, right now, right where I am, I pray. Right here, right now, right where I am, I pray. When I pray, I feel my love go deeper, my love go deeper into my God. When I pray, I feel my love go deeper, my love go deeper into my God. Right now, right where I am, I pray. Right here, right now, right where I am, I pray.
So we allow ourselves to go quietly to that secret place of the Most High, deep within ourselves, to the calm, to the peace, and through the stillness. And in this quiet, sacred time, we know that all is God, all is good, and that we're an expression of this one power and this one life. So as we enter into this time of contemplation and reflection, we do so with the idea of change on our mind. The one constant in life is the changeless, which is the Spirit within us, that eternal power that on a larger basis we know as God, and on an individualized basis we know it as we are an expression of this one power. Although the Spirit within us is changeless, everything in this experience and journey we know as life is constantly changing. For the nature of the universe is growth and expansion. And change is an intimate part of our experience. So let's just go within and reflect for a moment on the changes that we know that we need to make to enhance and improve the quality of our livingness and our life. So just take a few of these changes and just visualize them and focus in on them and know that the Spirit and the peace of God is with us each and every way and every step. And as we reflect on those, let us know that the Spirit gives us everything that it is that we need to do in order to facilitate the smoothest of possible transitions when we go through change. Our job is to embrace the change, to draw to it, and to experience the full gamut of what is required to let go of the old and step into the new. And to resist not, and also to act upon all that is around us to facilitate the change. And knowing that in this, that we are worthy of the very best in life, and we lovingly accept this now. So we go forward with change in our hearts, change on our minds, and knowing that ultimately everything unfolds for good in our journey. So we embrace it, give thanks for it, we let it be so, and so it is.
Coming out of the meditation, we'll just sing the first 3 lines of each of the verses. The key words are heart, soul, and love. First verse is heart. When I pray, I feel my heart go deeper. My heart go deeper into my heart and soul. When I pray, I feel my soul go deeper, my soul go deeper into my heart and love. When I pray, I feel my love go deeper, my love go deeper into my heart.
Well,